Hmm.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so in previous period we learn about the condition of Nawabs, how they lost their power and authority. Okay, kings, queens, they were affected by the British rule. Nawabs, they lost their powers. How British government imposed them subsidiary alliances. Okay, then they impose them some other policies. They doctrine of lapse policy and doctrine of
Good morning, sir.
Akansha. What happened? Okay, so in the British rule, they were suffered. Okay, and they lost their power and authority. So this is about kings and nawabs. Okay. Now what happened about the peasants and the sepoy? Peasants and sepoys were also were not satisfied with the British rule. Okay. Now we have to learn about this. In the countryside, peasants and zamindars resented the high taxes at the rigid method of revenue collections. So in the countryside, British government imposed very high taxes on them. Okay, high taxes and high revenue on the poor peasants, and the sepoy also pay them taxes. Okay, so peasants were suffered because they have to pay them very high taxes, and so that in the countryside peasants were suffered by the British rule and their rigid taxes method. Many failed to pay back their loans to the moneylenders and gradually lost the lands they had tilled for generation. To pay tax, they borrow some loan from the moneylenders. Okay, but these poor peasants, when they fail to pay their taxes or they fail to pay their loans, then they have to lost their land which they till for their generation, which they till for their sons. Okay, but now they have to, they lost their land because of their loan. Okay, they fail to give taxes, and so that they have to lost their land which they till for their generation. So this was the condition of peasants, poor peasants. They were also suffered by the British government. The Indian, that is about pigeons. Okay. Okay. So what was the problem faced by the pigeons? Who will answer me?
Sir, can I?
Yes.
Sir, can I tell?
Sir, can
Omna,
I
Can
Omna.
tell? Sir, can I?
Sir, lands were taken away from the peasant due to non-payment of taxes.
Okay, very good, beta. Okay. Anyone can add some points?
sir.
Bhargavi,
Sir, what is question? No, sir. What is question?
what is the condition of
Sir,
pigeons in the British rule?
Sir, they were even forced to pay heavy tax.
Yes. Good answer. Okay.
Sir, they are not able to pay
I
a
didn't
loan to the
understand.
money lenders, sir, and they lost their land.
Okay, okay. They lost their land which they till for their generations. Okay. Good.
For their sons.
Sir, they were also severely punished.
Sir,
Okay. Janvi,
sir,
Janvi,
sir,
beta
as
answer.
yes,
Answer me.
yes,
Yes. What
sir,
was the
as
condition of the poor peasants in the British rule?
sir, repeat the question, please, sir.
What was the condition of poor peasants in British rule? उनकी क्या
Sir,
कंडीशन
they
थी ब्रिटिश रूल में
sir,
peasants की?
please, zamindar were forced to pay the high taxes, which is to the British rules. If they were not able to pay that all the taxes, their land would be taken by British rulers. or they
Okay.
have to lose their land, which is tilted for next generation.
Okay, so you know that how peasants were suffered by the British rule. Okay, now about what happened with the sepoys. Okay, okay,
Yes, sir.
about sepoy now. The
Sir, what
Indian
is
sepoys in the employ of the company also had reasons for discontent. They were also disappointed. They were also unhappy with the British rule. They were unhappy about their pay, allowances, and condition of service. Okay? So British, they paid high salary to British officers and low salary to Indian sepoy. And their pay and allowances very, very low. Indian sepoys payment and their alliance their allowances, payment allowances, and their condition of service, it was very bad. Okay, if they compare to the British officer, British sepoy and Indian sepoy, so British sepoy get more salary, and Indian sepoy, he received very less salary, and
sir?
the service
Was saying,
and the condition of the service was also not good, it was bad, and the
Sir, why?
allowances was very few. Okay, and so that Indian sepoy were also suffered by the British rule. They were also unhappy with the British rule. Understood?
yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, why they give less salary to the Indian sepoys?
Sir,
They give
Sir,
high payment to British officers because there was British rule, na? Okay, and so that they give more salary to British
to their
sepoy and very less salary to the Indian sepoy
yes, sir.
because
And sir, sir,
there was British rule. Yes.
yes, sir.
sir, some of the sepoys were from the peasant family also. That's why they were treated very badly.
Huh. So these peasants, some peasants, they became sepoy, na? And so there was British rule. Yes. Who is talking? Vedant. Yes, beta. Boy, na? And there was British rule. Yes, who is talking there. Swaraj. Swaraj. What happened?
Sir, you continue. You can continue, sir.
If you want to give answer, then you have to raise your hand. Okay. After that, I will ask you questions. Okay. But don't disturb in the class. Okay. First, you have to raise your hand. Then you have to
Sorry, sir.
unmute your mic, and then you
Yes.
can discuss or ask some questions, or you can give answer. Okay. Understood? This is the process. You have to raise your hand first. After that, you have to unmute your mic, and then you have to answer me. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Akansha. Why you raise your hand?
Sir, I have to give answer.
Just a minute. Yes, Avni.
But of which person?
Okay.
Sir, continue.
Yes, Janvi.
Sir, you can continue that I am saying.
Sir, yes, continue.
Kavyanjali, mute your mic.
Yes.
Satyabrat, mute your mic, beta.
Okay, sir.
Mute. Okay. So some of the new rules, moreover, violated their religious sensibilities and beliefs. In the British Army, there all people were treated equally. Okay? And there was no casteism. So some people, and so they violated their religious sensibility, okay, and beliefs, because in the British Army they treated equally, whether it is poor or rich, okay, whether it is low caste or high caste, okay, and so that they have to violated their religious sensibility and belief. Do you know about Mangal Pandey? So in Mangal Pandey, he was hanged, okay, because he started rebellion against British. And why he rebelled? Because British tried to violate their religious belief, okay, and so that Mangal Pandey rose rebellion against them. We will learn about that detail, okay, in next period. Did you know that in those days, many people in the country believed that if they crossed the sea, they would lose their religion and caste. So this was their beliefs, religious belief. In Hindu religion,
Whose belief?
there was a belief. What that belief?
British.
If a Hindu people cross the sea, okay, Samandar, if he cross the sea, then he will lost their religion and caste. Means they were not allowed to cross the sea. समुद्र उल्लंघन करना ये हिंदू धर्म में एक गलत बात थी. Okay, they were not allowed to cross the sea, but in the British Army they have to cross the sea. Okay, if they want fight to the other countries, then they have to cross the sea now. And so that some people, they were hurted. They were not satisfied with the policy of British government, because this British government violated their religious sensibility. They violated their religious belief, and so that some Sipahi, they were not satisfied with the British government.
Sir,
So
can you
when-
please repeat this policy?
Yes, Janvi.
Sir, can you please repeat this policy
Yes, beta.
after? Sir, that can you please repeat this this policy
yes.
after?
Huh. So British government violated their religious belief. How they violate? In British government, in the British army, they have to cross the sea, okay, for the fight. If they want to fight with the other countries, then they have to travel via sea route, okay. So they have to cross the sea, okay. But in the Hindu religion, it is violated, okay. It is not good that if they cross the sea. Means in the Hindu religion, it is not allowed to a Hindu people to cross the sea, okay. If any Hindu people cross the sea, then they would lose their religion and caste, okay. Because in the Hindu religion, it was mentioned that Hindu people were not allowed to cross the sea.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes.
Sir, if Hindu people cross the sea, so Hindu people will lose Hindu people will lose their religion or British.
Yes, Hindu people know their
people will.
religion. Okay, British also know their religion. Okay, but there was some beliefs. Okay, in Hindustan there were so many beliefs which was followed by the Hindu people, and one of the beliefs was they were not allowed to cross the sea. Okay, so that was the belief. And this belief was violated in the British government, in the British Sepoy, in the British army. and so that they were they were angry on the British government. Okay, understood now? Okay, Janvi,
Yes, sir.
understood now?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There were so many beliefs like that, Sati Pratha, these were also a belief, okay? And
Yes,
this
sir.
uh, don't cross sea, that was also belief, okay? So there were so many belief. So if they cross the sea,
Sir, how that belief take place?
it is the traditional, beta, okay? Some people, they, it is
It was
passed.
Indian ritual for.
These rituals pass on through the one generation to the another generation. Okay.
But who invented this ritual?
Okay. Who invented these rituals and beliefs?
Hmm.
You know that in there
Yes.
was you know that in Hindu religion there were so many holy books like Ramayana, Mahabharata, Gita, okay, and Manu Dharma. So in this book there are so many customs and rituals, okay? So these we have to follow. So many people followed this in Veda, in Upanishad, in Puran. There were so many customs, so many rituals, and that we have to follow, okay? And this pass on to the one generation to other generation, okay? Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when in 1824 the Sepoy were told to go to the Burma by the sea route to fight for the company, they refused to follow the order. When in 1824. Okay. So in 1824, when British want to fight with the Burma, okay, and to go Burma, there is a sea route. They have to cross the sea, okay. But Hindu soldiers, they were not followed their order. They disobey British order. They said that no, we will not cross the sea. Okay, we are ready to go Burma via land route, but we never cross the sea. Okay, so this was the condition of Sepoy. So when in 1824, the Sepoys were told to go to Burma by the sea route to fight for the company, they refused to follow the order. Through they are ready to go by the land route. They said that we are ready to go there by land route, but not sea route, because in our religion it is not allowed to cross the sea. And so some sepoy, they were disobey their orders. They were severely punished. And since
Indian
And
Indian
since the issue did not die down 1856, the company passed a new law which stated that every new person who were employment in the company's army had to agree to serve overseas if required. So what happened then in
Sir,
18?
sir.
Yes, 1 minute.
Sir, can I
Yes,
explain it?
beta.
Sir,
Sir,
I
in-
want to add one point.
Yes.
Sir, explaining na Sir Janvi.
Yes, Janvi.
In
Sir,
1850,
after Janvi, can I add one point, please?
Yes, beta.
in 1856, the company passed a new.
In 1856, you know.
Sir, in 1856, the British Army made the new law, which was if any person from any country is joining the army of British ruler, they would have one law that the army had to agree to serve the overseas if required.
Okay. So
Sir, can I
Indian
add one
Sepoy,
point, please, please?
Indian sepoy were not willingly, not ready. Okay, they were not ready to cross the sea. In 1824, when British want to fight with the Burma, then they have to cross the sea. But some Indian sepoy, they refused to cross the sea, and so that in 1856, British government set a rule that if they will recruited any soldier, so there they have a one condition that they have to ready to go anywhere. Okay,
Yes.
they have to cross the sea if necessary. Okay,
Huh.
and so that
Means
in
it is
1856
Sir,
they
because
make a new
of
law.
the
Okay,
sir,
and it
sir,
make
force.
compulsory to cross the sea.
Yes,
Okay,
sir. It
so
was
they have to
forced, sir.
serve overseas if required. Yes,
It was
sir,
forced.
Dilip sir.
Sir, Omna wants to tell some point. Let her tell.
who?
Yeah, na,
Gargi,
sir.
yes, beta.
Sir,
Omna,
you.
Omna. Sir, Omna want to tell something.
Yes, Omna.
Sir, thank you. Sir, because of the ritual changes in India,
Omna, beta,
that the
loudly.
Indian people. Sir, because of the ritual changes in India, Indian were used to think that Britishers are being against their Indian culture.
Sir, over. This was over, sir.
Omna, your
Yes,
voice
sir.
not audible
New
to me.
point.
So you have to write message to me, okay, beta? Omna, you can
Okay, sir.
message me because your voice is not audible to me. Okay. So this was the condition in 1856 because in 1824, when British needed army to the Burma, that Indian sepoy refused to go there via sea route because it was the violated of their religious belief. And so that in 1856, when they needed new recruitment of the soldiers, British, they set a new rule. Okay, there was a condition that Indian soldiers should be ready for the cross the sea route. Okay, if it is required, then he have to serve overseas. The Sepoy also reacted to what was happening in countryside. Many of them were peasants and had families living in the villages. So
Sir,
the
in
anger of the peasants quickly spread among the sepoy. And so that these peasants and sepoy both were not satisfied with the British rule. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am
yes,
asking
sir.
you some questions about sepoy.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Why sepoy were unhappy with the British rule?
Sir, can I
Sir,
tell?
sir, can
Sir,
I?
sir, can I?
Sir, can I?
Chaitanya.
Yes, sir.
Yes, answer me.
Oh,
Sir, because they are British not treated them as equal because they pay high salary to their British soldiers and low to our Indian sipais.
Okay, very good.
Sir, equality is not followed.
Yes.
was not followed.
Sir, or
Oh,
Also, they do not follow the Indian rituals to the Indian soldiers.
yes, sir, yes, sir.
Sir
sir,
and sepoys were unhappy with the salary and allowance.
sir, they were,
Yes.
sir, they were giving
Sir,
them
they
much.
were unhappy with their salary and allowances.
Sir, I am
Okay.
telling, please not listening.
Yes. Very good answer.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
sir, they were forced to pay the much taxes, and if
Yeah,
they fail
yeah,
to pay
yeah,
the taxes, they were
yeah.
Now about
taking
Janvi
the.
Walde. Janvi Walde. Janvi. Janvi Walde.
Yes, sir, I was
Unmute
telling.
your mic. I am going to ask you some questions. Janvi Walde. I am asking you some questions. Hello, Janvi.
Sir, Janvi Hemke is present.
Janvi Walde. Okay, she's okay.
Sir, can I?
जानवी वाले present है ना?
What
Sir, but she is
what were the sepoys' religious belief? Janvi Walde.
Sir, may I?
What were the sepoys' religious belief? उनके belief क्या थे?
Sir, Janvi.
Sepoys के.
Sir, can I tell? Can I?
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, who?
For a
Sir,
war, they have to cross the sea.
Okay, Nabha Chandekar.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
What was the religious belief of Indian sepoy?
Sepoys believe that if they cross the sea, their caste and religions would be
Yes.
lost. So therefore, they believe that if they travel overseas, their caste and religions would be lost.
Okay, good. Ayushi Tiwari. Ayushi
sir.
Tiwari.
Yes, sir.
Now you have to explain me the religious belief of Indian sepoy.
Sir, they believe that if they cross the sea route, they will lose their religion and caste. And in 1824, the sepoys were told to cross the Burma by sea route for fight for the company. So they refused and they said that we will go from the land route, but not by the sea route.
Okay, very
Because
good.
if they will go through this, so they will lose.
Gargi.
हाँ
will
sir,
lose
because
their
if they
religion
would
and caste.
cross the sea, they would lose their region and rituals.
Okay, very good.
Religion.
Religion and caste.
Gargi Fuse.
Yes, sir.
What was the
Yes, sir.
condition in
What, sir?
in 56 when British
Sir, I know, sir, I
wanted
know.
soldier?
Sir, can I,
What,
sir?
sir?
Omna, please,
I-
sir, please, please.
Sir, you are not audible.
Okay,
Sir,
now
repeat question.
what was the condition in 1856 when British government recruit soldiers?
Sir, can I, sir?
जब
Janvi?
उन्होंने सोल्जर्स को रिक्रूट किया वहां उन्होंने क्या कंडीशन रखी थी?
Sir, Janvi Hemke, sir, can I?
Sir, please, sir,
Sir,
Omna
can
Chudna,
I-
let me
Sir, the condition was.
Yes, Gargi.
Sir.
What was the condition?
Sir, the condition was that.
Yes,
Yes.
Sir, this was the condition.
that this was the condition. It is a, what your answer is not.
Sir, due
Sir,
to
can I,
there
sir,
is some network problem.
Network problem. Yeah. You saw that.
Sir,
this-
let me answer, sir. Sir,
Sir,
in
really?
1856, the British
Now,
released a new rule.
हाँ.
Can I? Sir,
Sir,
Janvi.
can I?
Sir, let me answer, na, sir.
Sir, Omna, please explain again.
Sir,
Sir,
can
Yes,
I?
yes.
Sir, please, Mia. In 1856, the British released a new rule that if anyone or any sepoy wants to join the British army, so they have to write an agreement that if they have to cross the sea for any war, so they will cross it.
Oh, very good, Omna. Very good
Okay,
answer.
very good.
Sir,
Thank
can
you,
I?
sir.
Again, Sir Janvi.
Okay, then
Sir, can I,
Kavya
sir?
Anjali.
Janvi
Yes, sir.
okay.
asking me.
Sir.
When there was war with the Burma,
Yes, sir.
when there was war with the Burma war कब
In-
शुरू हुआ था?
In 1824.
1824. Sir, in 1824.
blackboard.
1824.
Correct answer is 1824.
Eventually, later answer.
Sir, it is written in the blackboard, on the
Yeah, yeah, it is
blackboard.
written on the blackboard also. Okay, good. So tomorrow we will see responses to reform. Okay. Tomorrow we will see responses to reform.
Not asking.
Now you understood this point, na? The pigeons and the sepoy. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow we will see responses to reforms. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
क्या सर मुझे तो पूछा ही नहीं आपने.
पीयूष
हाँ ना
कुमार
सर, वो
पीयूष
बताया ना, बताना चाहिए था ना, पूछने का क्या है?
unmute
हाँ ना,
हो
मैं
जाओ बेटा।
बीच बीच में
तुझे
बता
मिला
रही थी,
वाला
मैं
तू ही
समझ-
बताई.
बताएंगे कैसे?
बीच बीच में
पीयूष
घुसना चाहिए।
पीयूष
घुसेंगे तो
पीयूष
घुसेंगे तो मुझे.
क्या कर सकते हैं?
पीयूष, अरे आवाज नहीं आ रही क्या बेटा? पीयूष,
और वो जानबूझ के नहीं सुन रहा।
तो आवाज नहीं आ रही।
तो
ए माइक ऑफ कर रहे.
गार्गी,
सर जानबूझ के नहीं सोच रहा, सुन रहा।
तू भी जानबूझ के ही नहीं बोली थी।
सर प्लीज
हाँ।
कंटिन्यू सर. सर प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है,
Okay,
पागल।
बेटा,
आना.
there is
ऐसे
only
अटक गई.
2
आना
minutes.
क्या आना?
So tomorrow
Sir,
we will
please, you
start
continue,
responses to
sir.
reforms. Okay.
ए ओम ना।
ओके सर.
Okay. Now
Bye,
I will
sir.
end the meeting.
ओके सर।
Okay.
बाय सर.
चमचा कहीं
Bye
का।
बेटा.
बाय
Bye,
सर.
are you shouting?
Bye, sir.
सर.
बाय सर।
बाय सर।
बाय बाय सर.
Okay, Mayank.
Dilip sir. Dilip sir. Sir, I will send you the
Good night.
notes on your WhatsApp, sir.
Okay, okay. Beta, and what about that? Arogya Doot.
What sir?
Arogya Doot. Those who want to participate or those who want to become COVID Arogya Doot, they have to send their names to me. Okay.
Sir, I had sent to Shubhangi ma'am.
Yes, yes. Your name is there. Ayushi Tiwari.
क्या करना?
I had sent a list in the WhatsApp group. Okay. If you are interested in COVID Arogya Doot, then you have to send your name to me. Okay. With your consent.
Sir,
have you wrote my name?
Shubhangi
Jilla
ma'am.
Parishad will be felicitate to you.
Sir,
Jilla Parishad will be
sir,
give
many people send.
certificate for that. Okay. And you will be
Sir,
a Corona warriors. Corona Yodha. COVID-19 Yodha. Okay. So
sir, many people.
most of
Sir,
you
many
have to
people
participate there
send names
in the
to.
COVID.
Sir, many
Arogya
people
Doot.
send names
Okay.
to Shubhangi
सर
ma'am.
कितने बजे तक भेजना है?
आज ही भेजो बेटा आप.
मतलब टाइम
ठीक है सर.
आज ही आपको भेजना है.
कितने बजे तक? आज
व्हाट्सएप
कितने बजे तक? कितने बजे
सभा
तक?
है, काव्यांजलि है.
सर वो सब
कार में भेजने वाली थी।
भेजना है।
आलिया है.
अगर अगर को पूछूंगे
को दिया
अरस्त
Sir,
है,
but
श्रावणी है,
sir, many people.
रियान है शायद. ओके. सो बहुत सारे बच्चे ने पार्टिसिपेट किए. हाउ टू पार्टिसिपेट देयर. ओके. ओके. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू end the meeting. Okay. Thank you
Okay, sir.
and bye all of you
थैंक यू
beta.
सर.
बाय सर।
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.